Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices and removing friction. Plug the watch in and charge to at least 50% so pairing won't abort. This prevents battery interruptions. On your phone, install the companion app, enable Bluetooth and location, then open the app, follow the on-screen prompt to add a new device. Once prompted, tap the watch's pairing code and confirm. Make sure to accept permissions for notifications and health data so features sync properly, and pause before continuing to verify the code matches. Once paired, you proceed into deeper configuration to make the watch useful. Open the app's device settings and choose your watch face, time zone, and units. This ensures readings display correctly. Next, enable health metrics like heart rate, steps, and sleep, and pick sensible sampling rates to balance accuracy versus battery life. Configure notification filters and arrange widgets or quick actions. These choices reduce friction throughout your day. Make sure to let the watch finish its initial sync before moving on to apps and watch updates. You finish by applying firmware updates and validating core functions. Install any system updates while the watch stays on its charger. Interrupting an update can brick the device. Then test calling, music playback, and start a short workout to confirm heart rate, GPS lock, and step counting work. Make adjustments in settings as needed. If something goes wrong, first restart both watch and phone, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, and retry pairing. If issues persist, use the app's diagnostic logs before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.